Piercing blade, a sculptor's hand. Wood chips fly, a cardinal blend. From a block of timber, raw and bare, a feathered marvel takes the air. Chainsaws hum a steady beat, creating beauty can't be beat. Red plume emerges, vibrant hue, a masterpiece shining through. Carved in motion, wings outspread, a wooden bird no longer dead. Chainsaws kiss, a fiery art, cardinal spirit carved in heart. Soaring high, a vibrant dream, beauty born it would seem. Every detail sharp and fine, from beak to tail, a work divine. The grain of wood, a canvas grand, nature's formed by human hand. Red as dawn, the feathers gleam, a timeless moment, frozen dream. Chainsaws roar, a gentle guide, creating magic deep inside. Carved in motion, wings outspread, a wooden bird no longer dead. Chainsaws kiss, a fiery art, cardinal spirit carved in heart. Soaring high, a vibrant dream, beauty born it would seem. Rough to smooth, the transformation, a testament to creation. Chainsaws dance a graceful sway, bringing life to lifeless clay.